Meet the Helium, the world's lightest power wheelchair. Weighing just 26 pounds, it's stronger, lighter, and more portable than any power wheelchair before it. Made from carbon fiber, a material 5 times stronger than steel, yet 5 times lighter, the Helium is built for durability and convenience. With its compact 10-inch fold, it fits into any car trunk, making travel easier than ever. Equipped with non-marking flat-free tires, the Helium glides effortlessly across any terrain, indoors or outdoors. With a soft-touch joystick, controlling your Helium is effortless. Adjust your speed up to 4 miles per hour and navigate with precision and ease. Worried about battery life? The Helium comes with a 24-volt lithium-ion battery and a backup battery. Free! With built-in anti-tip wheels, safety is always a priority. And yes, it's FAA, TSA, and FDA approved. Travel the world with confidence. Lightweight, portable, powerful. The Helium is more than a wheelchair. It's freedom in motion. Order yours today.